When the frost bites the snow and Christmas comes around.
Hey guys, and welcome back to the Lego Self Advent Calendar, guys. Today we are back with day 22. We're getting close towards the end now, guys, so let's get it open. And there we go, guys. That is today's build. It appears to be a cloud car driver or pilot. You can't see very well because it's too light to see him. But lay him down. Because he's the kind of guy that can go in one of these things we got yesterday. That's pretty fitting. Honestly, it's the most. I don't know how I feel about this build because it's not a character I care about. Honestly, it looks a bit average, to be honest with you. Nothing great or groundbreaking, so just a bit average build. That's what I got today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow. Goodbye.